Namaskar students, this is Professor S. Lal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing in the Department of Science and Technology under the Faculty of Education and Methodology of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, as per your session of numerical computation, of BCA 6th semester, today I will discuss about inverse interpolation. The topic we are going to discuss today is inverse interpolation. I hope you know about inverse of a function. Inverse of a function. Suppose, firstly, I would like to give brief introduction of what is the meaning of inverse function. So let y is equal to fx be a 1-1-2 function. Means for every element you are getting unique image. That is, here x is equal to f inverse y. This is the inverse of this function fx. So if y is equal to fx, then x is equal to x, then x is equal to f inverse y. So students, you have to understand that what is the inverse interpolation. Suppose here y is the interpolation for fx, then x is equal to f inverse y. To make your this point very much clear, I am sharing with you a literature. This is inverse interpolation. See, we have taken as x is equal to f inverse y. As I was discussing, the inverse interpolation method can be used to find a zero of a function fx. Zero of function means solution of the function by computing f dash f inverse 0, where x is equal to this, where x is equal to f inverse y is a polynomial that interpolates a table of f dash x and x. Means this is what? This is the value of x. This is the inverse result and this is the x. For example, let us suppose that we want to calculate a zero of the function this. Zero of the function means the value which is going to make this term is equal to 0. Knowing that this is a close to x is equal to 0.3. If you put here x is equal to 0.3, it is possible that you can get result like this. So if you put 0.2 in this result, you find the value of fx as this. If you put x is equal to 0.3, then you find result like this. If you put x is equal to 0.4, then you can find a value like this. Now second step, inverse polynomial interpolation. Here was x and here was y. Now reverse the result. Now you are taking this result on the top and this result in the bottom. Means you are interchanging x and y. So you see this result, here is this and here is this. Here is this and here is this. This polynomial can be generated in a number of ways, including Newton's divided difference interpolation polynomial also, as we have already discussed in the previous lecture. Thus, the interpolating polynomial, as we have seen in the Newton's backward and Newton's forward inversion formula, this is the result. And for inverse polynomial, for inverse interpolation, we have also another example that can be done in the like manner. So students, I hope you have understand that what is the meaning of inverse interpolation. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. In case of any query, in case of any confusion, any doubt, kindly put your query in the inbox. I promise that I will resolve your query from there. Thank you for listening and enjoying this lecture.